Ayan. Okay. So, have you ever looked in the mirror and sinabi niyo na kailangan ko ng skin coverage but I don't want to look like I'm wearing makeup. So, siguro kagaya ko kayo, you want something to hide your blemishes. Ayan, madami na ako niyan. Or you want to even out your skin or protect your skin but still look natural. So, welcome po sa ating Wellness Wednesday ng Marinduque Global Center. And today, I'll be sharing with you one product. And this is very special. Isa sa mga paborito ko kasi if you don't have much time to prepare in the morning, lalo na kung lalabas kayo, aalis kayo, or busy kayo and you don't have time for a full makeup or hindi kayo mahilig mag-makeup, um, this is a go-to product. So, I'm talking about the BB cream. Ayan. So, kung sa Pilipinas, your website is uh, ph.atomy.com. So, i-browse nyo lang and you will find this BB cream. So, pakita ko lang kung paano gamitin. Very affordable kasi nga 450 pesos. No, 420 pesos lang actually. Pero since maliit siya, it would last you more than 6 months. Literally. Kasi ako, sobrang konti lang yung ginagamit ko on a daily basis. So, ganyan lang talaga. Sobrang tipid ah. And it evens out your skin tone. So, ganito ko lang siya i-apply. So, yan. Marami akong blemishes. So, I'll just use sa isang side para makita nyo yung difference. Although mahirap pala mag-apply kapag sa computer nanonood, no? Okay. Very lightweight and then it has that natural finish. Ayan. Diba? So this is our BB cream. Not sure kung napapansin niyo yung difference, but it's very lightweight. It has a natural finish. And then meron na siyang SPF na 30. Silky and smooth cream for skin coverage to reduce the appearance of blemishes. And I have a friend na nagustuhan niya kasi nabawasan yung wrinkle niya dito. Imagine the technology that we have for the beauty products na ginagawa ng Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute at saka ng Colmar, which is Colmar Beauty and Health. Yan, may mga technology na ginagamit. Kaya plant-based, healthy, it's a better option. So, very small amount lang talaga. And then you have to blend it gently. Ako, mas gusto ko yung ano lang, sa kamay lang, kasi nga, mas madali siyang i-control. Okay. So may nagtanong, if you're using a sunscreen and a BB cream, anong uunahin? Personally ako, inuuna ko yung sunscreen and then I would apply the BB cream. Kung walang budget, you can just use the BB cream kasi may SPF 30 na siya. But if you have extra budget, you can use all of it. You can use the sunscreen, the Healthy Glow Base, and then the BB cream. Okay. Um, so, yan. Okay. May tira pa dun sa kaunti. So, ilagay natin dun sa kabilang side. Okay. Not sure. Yan. Okay. So, kapag ka sa morning, less than a minute actually you're done. So, para ngayon, mas matagal lang kasi I'm doing a Facebook Live and then looking at the computer and then reverse yung screen. Ayan. So, kahit walang salamin, actually, kaya nyo yang, kaya nyo yang gawing i-master. O, di ba? O, di ba? Dapat pala nag-picture ako ng before and after. But you can just rewind later and makikita nyo yan. Okay, so that's our featured product for today. I will not discuss the ingredients, pero magpunta lang sa ating Atomy Shop app. Ito, ganyan ang tsura ng app. Or magpunta sa ating website at i-click yung particular product. If you know anong category siya. Saan category makikita si BB Cream? A bear? Okay, comment down below. So, this product really simplifies my my routine in the morning. So, hindi mo kailangan ng maraming produkto, hindi mo kailangan ng maraming makeup. So, whatever satisfies you and give you confidence, gamitin lang. So, si BB cream, paborito ko siya kasi feeling ko talaga para akong naka-filter kapag gamit ko siya. Kasi kung nakita niyo yung skin ko dati, sobrang daming blemishes. Okay. So, yan lang muna. Okay, so kung wala pa kayong access sa Atomy online shopping mall and you want to get hold of this members price na 420 pesos only sa Philippines, let me know and I can send you a link so you can register for free or you can create an account for free sa ating Atomy Philippines. Or if you're from a different country, let's say US, Canada, Singapore, Malaysia, let me know as well and I can give you a free account. No registration fee needed. It's truly free from Atomy. Okay. So before we end this Wellness Wednesday live from the Marinduque Global Center, I would like to raffle yung mga affiliates ng Marinduque Global Center, especially yung naka-plug in sa system, yung nag-attend ng meeting, yung nag-consult ng 101, yung sumali sa mga challenges. And this is the gift giving raffle for the month of January. Okay, katatapos lang ng ating Chinese New Year. Hindi ako Chinese and I'm praying and hoping na sana magkaroon ako ng Chinese partner para makapasok tayo sa Atomy China because they are growing so fast. They now have their Imperial Master. So kung may kakilala kayo sa China, make sure i-promote nyo si Atomy. Okay. So, eto na. Sabi ko, we'll do it live. Okay. And ang gift nating pamimigay is BB cream. Okay, BB cream na lang. Kasi ako nag-prepare ng raffle for the gifts. Okay. Sino kayang lucky winners? Okay. So sa Army, success is not random. It is always intentional. So kailangan maka-plug in sa system para hindi kayo mag-give up, para mas madali si Atomy. Okay. Bakit may bakante? Namali. Kasi supposedly may 3 bakante. Pero alisin natin yung bakante. Sorry. Okay. Ulit. Sorry. Okay, lahat yan may pangalan. So each time you attend my Zoom meeting, especially the Tuesday Atomy of the Marinduque Global Center, I'll write down your name with the date at kung anong Zoom meeting yung attenda nyo para pag binasa ko, mas madali. Previously, I'll do it yung nag-spin na wheel. Kaya lang, I didn't get a chance to type it electronically. So manual na lang. Okay? Yan. Okay, walang daya. Okay. And the winner is, oy, and the winner is, nag-attend ng Marinduque Global Center Zoom nung January 13. Okay, sino yan? SM Ping. Okay, congratulations SM Ping. You are so lucky and you will receive the BB cream. Of course, I have to purchase it kasi wala tayong stock ngayon. Okay, yun lang. Congratulations and thank you for watching, guys. So check our website and kagaya ng sabi ko yesterday sa ating Tuesday Atomy, our assignment is to list down at least 250 people. So let me know kapag nagawa na yung challenge. And again, we have our Atomy platform, Atomy Philippines, ph.atomy.com ang website. And of course, you can check our channel Atomy, ch.atomy.com/ph sa Pilipinas para mapanood nyo ang lahat ng replay ng One Day Seminar and Success Academy, testimonies, product presentation, commercials, lahat na. And of course, our chairman. So make sure you plug into the system and let's have fun doing Atomy and let's share Atomy to the world because this is the best gift you can give yourself and give your loved ones. So thank you all for watching and happy Wellness Wednesday. I love you all. Bye.